anemone. She's defenseless.
She's old. She's old? She's defenseless.
Get her. She found her.
No! I like mine.
No, Cindy, that one's not good.
We are stuck on a battle.
Keep going.
What
about this one?
Which one? She could be the old man.
No, but I like the one with the directions better.
Yeah, me too. She was the color. That's why you're in front.
Yeah.
Now how you can tell where...
Yeah, now we're probably lost.
Yeah, thanks.
Don't change the subject.
Yeah, you boo.
Yeah. Now we're going to kill you until you find your stick.
You're
now
called
go.
Girl.
Stab her with your stick.
She's called a cool girl.
Ow! Stab her! See, bad luck. Bad luck is getting to you.
Yeah.
Hey, is this the one with the
Oh, yeah.
she's a demon witch, too.
It's a demon witch.
Demon witch. But that was not as cool as the other one.
She's the end.
Kill my boot. No. Fine. I guess we're gonna have to stab it. Come on.
I will pop your boot.
Your stick has too much arrows.
Yeah, how could you tell which one's right?
Here. This one has two.
Yeah.
That one's cool.
Good.
Don't see it in my mouth.
Come here. Save yourself.
Now she's trying to kill me.